So this is my 2019 fireworks stash. It's pretty small. We have Color Sky, it's a fountain. Playing for keeps. These are all fountains. Uh, Pokery in the Fritz. Balloon Wrecker. Night Crystal. Clouds. Girl's Best Friend. Rock Knights. Beach Ball. Poker IV. I think it says, I don't know what this one is. Heads Up. Silver Lining. Bash Man. Let It Rip. Cherry Drop. Enjoy. Solar Flare. And I don't know what that says. Probably Happy Party. And this one is Desert Angel, and that says Laser Streamer. So it should be pretty fun. I have a couple more over here. So I got high caliber 5 warheads from AFW. Aquarian, Cascade, 4 Cascades, 2 Binary Stars, Aquarian, Midsummer Dream, another Midsummer Dream, another Aquarian, Paradise City, 2 more, 2 more Midsummer Dreams down there, Binary Star, a whole bunch of exploding mosquitoes. These things are really cool. They fly up and explode. These are all Beyond Beliefs, Dragonera, 200-gram cakes. Bring the Rain, Critical Gravity, and Ozone Blast in 2 D-Days. Critical Gravity and Ozone Blast I really like. They just shoot up 4 at a time. I've always liked that firing pattern. Glittering Galaxy, Silky Sky over there. And over here we got Buzzard's Roost, Excelsior, Phenom, Wipeout, Evolution, 4 Mardi Gras Parades, and 8 Upheavals. And I have a little bit more over here. We have Shrapnel, Gateway to the West, Vegas Lights, Steel City, 2 Chaotix, and 3 Times Square assortments. They just have some fun stuff inside, a couple cakes, some fountains, explodey things. Colorful Cadence, I have 2 of those. They're like zipper cakes. And I have all these motor shells and some motor tubes over here I need to build racks for. Let me show you the shells. So inside of here I have, I think it's like 96 or something like that, Continuum shells by AFW, or they're sold by WF Boom, I don't know. Brocade, Crown Crackling, it's kind of what they look like. So it should be pretty fun. Yeah.